There are two ways to create multi-line text in BuzzWord. This video covers both methods, and the starting times of each are listed in the table of contents below. On the Welcome dialog, start a new design with the desired hoop. Then set a grid using the View Preferences command. We are setting spacing to 0.25 inches. The first method we are covering would be used for multi-line text using the same settings. For this, click on the Create Text tool and click on the starting location in space. Check the multi-line text box and enter your text using the Enter key after each line. On the Main tab, you can change the size, spacing, fill pattern, and more. Drag the lettering in the space window to the desired position. Use the settings on the Advanced tab to adjust underlay and justification. Sometimes you will need more variation in your lettering and will want to enter each line separately. After all lines of text are entered, their positions are adjusted using the grid as a guide. One at a time, you can center the text and drag them into position using the grid as a reference. Individual text objects can be selected and aligned using the BuzzTools Center commands. You can also select multiple text objects by holding down the Shift key and clicking on them. Now that several objects are selected, you can use the Align Objects command to automatically adjust their position. Remember to use Ctrl-Z to undo any changes you don't like. When you are finished, you can also select all the lines of text and center them as a block in your hoop. You can select everything in your design using Ctrl-A or by using the lasso as shown. Use the Sort Colors command to reduce the number of thread changes, and use the Sew Simulator to view how your design will stitch. These powerful multi-line text tools allow you to create memorable word art, poems, and logos.